Chevrolet Cruze 2011 to 2016. To remove the front bumper, you need to remove 2 bolts and 4 clips at the top of the bumper under the hood. After that, unscrew 3 screws on each side inside the fender liner. Then, using plastic trim tool, very carefully release the clips at the corners of the bumper to avoid breaking them. Finally, remove 10 screws from the bottom of the bumper and you are good to go.